See me sitting at the bar and I'm already breaking up. Blunts. See me sitting at the bar and I'm already breaking up.
Okay, hey YouTube, this is Kesslyn and I'm doing the haul. It's from Bath and Body Works, and then I went to MAC and Chipotle.
Anyway, that's my daughter Kay, y'all. Show us what you got from MAC. I'll come over to you.
Heroin.
Yeah, take it out. She was a little depressed today, so I took her shopping. So get a few things to make her feel better. And the first thing she said was some heroin. So we went and got heroin from MAC, which this light was a little bit better, but it has that orange, that yellowy orange cast. And then what else did we get, Pumpkin?
We got the 3 for 3.
Buy 3, get 3 free from Bath and Body Works. Which one? Let me see.
This is French Lavender Honey.
Okay.
This is Amber Blush Shower Gel. This is Endless Weekend.
Okay.
Amber.
What? Let me see. You gotta come down. There you go.
And
Amber.
this is their lotion to go with Amber.
Okay. Those are her favorite girls.
And then we got the bucket.
We got the bucket, y'all. You forgot the little bitty
yeah. This smells good too. This was hot.
Okay, put it right there.
It's Forever Red.
Okay, there you go. Forever Red. Okay.
And then in the bucket.
And this bucket, guys, was $79. And by the time we got through with coupons and everything, it was $17.49. And this is all the things that come in the bucket. That was a splash or something? Of a perfume?
Yeah, this is Winter Candy Apple Fragrance Mist.
Okay, I might take that one myself. Go ahead.
Want this.
Oh, she want it. Go ahead.
You can have this though. Sugar Plum Shower
And
Gel.
it actually smells good though, guys.
Foaming lotion. You can have it if you want.
You supposed to put it in the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Vanilla bean.
Body lotion. We have 3 scented candles.
Which scents? What's the scents?
We have Noel, Vanilla Bean Noel.
Okay.
Is it Noel or no?
Noel.
We have Twisted Peppermint. And then we have Fresh Sparkling Snow.
Okay, and the last thing?
The last thing we have in here is Snow Kiss Berry Deep Cleansing Hand Soap.
All right then, guys. So that's our haul for today. And we're going to hope that this makes Kesslyn a happy camper. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.